Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My favorite types of lipsticks are ones with amazingly beautiful color, but also that are going to hydrate my lips and keep them healthy and looking their best. The first time that I tried this lipstick from Honeybee Gardens, I knew that it was going to hit all of those boxes for me. I definitely battle dry lips, and when I have used other lipsticks, it just seems like it makes it worse. But because these lipsticks have nourishing oils in them, it really helps to actually work more like a lip balm with a lipstick. And I love that combination. Also, can we talk about this color? This is Heirloom. It's a pink mauve color. It's actually my favorite color for lipstick because it is nicely neutral, goes with a lot of different outfits, and it just completes the look. Not only is this lipstick made with really amazing ingredients, but it's completely gluten-free. As someone who is gluten intolerant, that is important to me because you basically eat your lipstick. So this is just a really high quality lipstick, and Honeybee Gardens has a ton of different shades for you to choose from. I just really love using it every day, and that's my point of view.